How do I stop it? Hey, Portugal, you want some slaves for some food? I'll give you some slaves. You need some food. Now, Africa, this doesn't seem like a bad idea. I'll take some slaves and I'll give you some carrots. For Portugal, it'll just be a minute, okay? Ugh. Thanks, Africa. I'll just take them to my ship.
Captain, how much longer? This is a boat to Portugal. You're not supposed to be able to know that. I'll be in my chambers. Sorry.